Hi, in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you what sometimes I eat in the morning, and it's a very healthy option. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. In that note, we are going to be making omelette, and it's a very simple recipe with minimal ingredients but healthier options, and it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. So stay tuned, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat, to my pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil, like half a teaspoon of oil, so that our butter doesn't burn. So to my butter, I'm going to add in onion. This is a very small onion together with garlic. Stir in. Then I'm going to cook my onions and garlic until soft. I want my onions to be a little bit soft, and also I don't want my garlic to burn. That's the reason I've added both at the same time. And to my onions, I'm going to add mushrooms and baby spinach. But first, I'm going to add my mushroom, stir. Then I'm going to add brawn. I'm adding 1 piece of brawn, and I'm using pork brawn. You can use beef or pork or chicken. Stir in. Then I'm going to cook this for about a minute. So I'll make sure my mushrooms are in a single layer so that they can cook. This is after about 1 minute, and the mushroom are reduced. So I'm going to season my mushrooms with salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Then I'm going to stir in, and this is smelling amazing. This is looking good. So to my mushrooms, I'm going to add my spinach. Stir in the spinach. And at this point, I'm going to add my tomatoes as well. I'm using 1 small tomato. Stir in and cook until the spinach is wilted. So I'll give this a minute. After 30 seconds, I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Just like that. And you can see how it looks. It looks so lovely. And then to my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just a little bit. Then I'm going to add in 3 eggs. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper because we have already added the salt and black pepper to our vegetables. Then I'll whisk. After a good whisk, I'm going to add my eggs to my pan. Then I'm going to use my spatula and bring or fold in the egg as it cooks. So don't worry, I'm using the same spatula I used to make my vegetables. This is how it's looking. I'm using medium low to cook my egg. So to my egg, I'm going to add my vegetables. So I'm going to add on one side. They're looking amazing. And actually this is not a lot. This is maybe an omelette for two. Yeah. Then I'm going to cover this for about a minute. If you have noticed, I added my tomatoes the last because I didn't want my tomatoes to be mushy, so I just cooked them a little bit, and that's the reason being I didn't want my omelette to be soggy. So that is a very good tip. So you watch over this and don't let it burn. By covering, I want the egg to cook on top. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a minute. So this is how my omelette is looking, and as you can see the spinach, the brown, the mushrooms, and my egg. I'm using the free range eggs. So this is super delicious. And at this point my omelette is ready, so I'll turn off the gas and serve when hot. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe at home. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you make for yourself in the morning this amazing recipe, and you'll surely enjoy because it's delicious. Bye.